Namibia is home to the world's oldest desert, the Namib Desert. Namibia gained independence from South Africa in 1990. The country is known for its stunning landscapes, including the famous red dunes of Sossusvlei. Namibia is one of the least densely populated countries in the world, with only 2.7 million people. The country is home to the largest population of cheetahs in the world. Namibia is a favorite destination for adventure travelers, offering activities like sandboarding, skydiving, and quad biking. The country's official language is English, but there are several other indigenous languages spoken as well, including Ashawambo, Achiherero, and Kokogawab. Namibia has a rich cultural heritage, with 11 different ethnic groups living in the country. The Namibian dollar is the official currency of Namibia, although the South African rand is also widely accepted. The country is known for its wildlife conservation efforts, with over 20% of the country's land designated as protected areas. Namibia is home to the second largest canyon in the world, the Fish River Canyon. The country has a high standard of living compared to other African nations, with a GDP per capita of $11,000. Namibia has a diverse climate, with coastal areas experiencing cool temperatures and the interior being hot and dry. The country is a popular destination for stargazing, with some of the clearest night skies in the world. Namibia is a preferred filming location for Hollywood movies, with films like Mad Max, Fury Road, and The Mummy being filmed there. The country is named after the Namib Desert, which means vast place in the Nama language. Namibia is one of the few countries in the world to have incorporated environmental protection into its constitution. The Namibian flag is one of the few in the world to feature the color green, symbolizing the country's agricultural resources. The country has a large German influence due to its colonial history, with many towns still featuring German architecture and cuisine. Namibia is home to some of the world's oldest rock paintings, dating back over 2,000 years. The country is known for its diamond mining industry, with Namibia being one of the world's top producers of gem-quality diamonds. The Namibian coat of arms features a fish eagle, symbolizing the country's wildlife and natural resources. Namibia is a popular destination for birdwatchers, with over 600 species of birds found in the country. The country is a hotspot for adventure tourism, with activities like hot air ballooning, hiking, and kayaking available. Namibia has a diverse range of ecosystems, including savannas, deserts, wetlands, and mountains. The country is home to the world's largest free-roaming population of black rhinos. Namibia is known for its high-quality beef production, with the country exporting to markets around the world. The coastal town of Swakopmund is a popular destination for tourists, known for its German colonial architecture and outdoor activities. Namibia has a rich mining history, with minerals like uranium, zinc, and copper being important exports for the country. The country is home to the Himba people, known for their unique culture and traditional dress. Namibia has a strong conservation ethic, with the government actively working to protect its natural resources. The country's national animal is the oryx, a species of antelope that is well adapted to the harsh desert environment. Namibia is home to the largest sand dune in the world, Dune 7, which stands at over 1,256 feet tall. The country is a popular destination for self-drive safaris, with well-maintained roads and a variety of wildlife to see. Namibia is home to the world's only population of desert-adapted elephants, which have evolved to survive in arid conditions. The country is known for its traditional dance and music, with performances often featuring drums, singing, and elaborate costumes. Namibia is one of the few countries in Africa to have a stable democracy and a strong rule of law. The country's cuisine is influenced by its diverse ethnic groups, with dishes like biltong, dried meat, and potjikos, stew, being popular. Namibia is a paradise for outdoor enthusiasts, with activities like hiking, kayaking, and fishing available in its national parks. The country is home to over 40 species of large mammals, including lions, leopards, and elephants. Namibia has a thriving art scene, with local artists showcasing their work in galleries and markets around the country. The country is a popular destination for photographers, with its stunning landscapes and wildlife providing ample opportunities for great shots. Namibia has a rich history of rock art, with ancient engravings and paintings found throughout the country. The country is a hotspot for paleontologists, with fossils dating back millions of years being discovered in the region. Namibia is known for its unique plant life, with species like the quiver tree and Welwitschia mirabilis found only in the country. The Namibian government has invested heavily in renewable energy, with projects like solar and wind farms helping to reduce the country's reliance on fossil fuels. The country is known for its friendly people, with locals often welcoming tourists with open arms. Namibia has a strong tradition of storytelling, with folk tales and legends passed down through generations. The country is a favorite destination for wildlife photographers, with opportunities to capture unique moments in the wild. Namibia is home to the world's largest underground lake, the Dragon's Breath Cave. The country is known for its vibrant festivals, with events like the Windhoek Carnival and the Namibian Music Awards drawing crowds from around the world. Namibia is a popular spot for beach lovers, with pristine beaches along its coastline offering opportunities for swimming, surfing, and sunbathing. The country is famous for its sand dunes, which are among the tallest and most spectacular in the world. Namibia is a haven for birdwatchers, with over 660 species of birds recorded in the country. The Namib Desert is home to some of the oldest plant species on Earth, some of which are over 2,000 years old. Namibia is known for its diverse wildlife, with species like the black rhino, cheetah, and African elephant found in its national parks. The country is a hotspot for adventure sports, with activities like dune boarding, mountain biking, and skydiving available. Namibia is home to the world's largest population of free-roaming cheetahs. The country has a rich cultural heritage, with a mix of African, European, and indigenous influences.